Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Galentine mail, and I know I never show my Galentine mail. I always just make it and send it to my recipients, and this year I decided I'm going to share. I'm finally going to share what I send. Super easy, you guys. Since I do send out several Valentine packages, I make it simple because it's hard. It's hard to do handmade goodies in such a short amount of time, from Christmas to February, and again having swaps as well. So these boxes that I'm going to show you is I picked them up from Dollar Tree. I went back to Dollar Tree after my video, my recent video of Dollar Tree, and I picked up 2 bags, you guys. And I didn't do a video on it, and I couldn't help myself. I had to get into it and start crafting. So super easy. You know, we can make these with the SVG file. However, I thought it was easiest to do this. So let's go ahead and show you the boxes. So this is one of the boxes. It's just a little mailbox, and that's it right there. And these ones are a little bit on the I don't know, this one, it was kind of a little bit coming apart. I'm going to glue that. I'm sure it's kind of like a sticker that they use. So yeah, just be wary of that. So that's the first box. The next box is this one right here. This one says Happy Valentine's Day. It's in pink with the red heart. I love it. And these little boxes, I'm sure you guys seen them already. They're nothing new, but they hold a lot, and you're gonna see whenever we get into this and start putting it all together. I love them, you guys. I just love them. This is my first year using them, and I figured I'm going to do it this way. Usually I send off a little package inside some baggies, but this time I decided let's do the boxes. They look so much prettier. And so yeah, I like this little one. I wanted to get more of these, but I had went to Dollar Tree and they didn't have any more. And my Dollar Trees are slow at stocking. They're really slow, and I noticed that, and I hate that about them. But yeah, it's a mini town. So okay, you guys, so let's get into the smallest to largest. And so these two are the same size, so we'll go ahead and get into this one, the red one. Let's go ahead and assemble. So I'm going to start off with some tissue paper I picked up at Dollar Tree as well, and I did cut it in half to fit the box. Going to add some socks. Again, this is also from Dollar Tree. Adding rosettes next. I picked the heart container up from Amazon. I will have it linked below. The rosette is an SVG file from Silhouette. I will have that link below as well. And I made it with the Recollections cardstock, and that is in the, I guess, hot pink. In this Tiffany style box, I added some crochet hearts in the color mint and hot pink. Using the Dollar Tree slime containers, I removed the slime and added some wire wrap beads. In the second container, I added some punch outs, or yeah, I used a punch to punch these out, and they're little tiny ribbons and hearts. Oh, we use these for confetti for packaging, so I thought it would be nice to gift it. including some pastel felt roses as well. I have a video on this. I will have it linked below. This one is not in the video, this color. This is the pastel pink. Added 3 to this box. Adding some of the sequins I made a few days ago, and I will add the stores that I bought them from. They came from various places, 4 to be exact. So in case you want to make some, I will have that linked below. You guys, I have a surprise. Shh. This is a hidden giveaway. So if you hear this, it's a hidden giveaway. Must be a subscriber. Like this video, comment, I love Valentines. You have to say that. I love Valentines. You will get one of these boxes from me shipped to you, and I'll be picking a winner in a few days, okay? Shh, keep it on the DL down low. It's open to everyone. Adding some of these puffy hearts, pink puffy hearts from Amazon. I will have it linked below as well. But coming to a close with this box, and this is it for this box. This is very simple, very easy. You can send off something very simple, make someone's day, and that's what I intend on doing. And so let's go ahead and move on to the next box. Same deal. Add some tissue paper. Adding some of these felt hearts. I am using, I guess, the mauve. I think it's mauve. The mauve color and red, adding some pink puffy hearts as well. The container again is from Amazon. Everything will be linked below. Adding this little box. I picked this box up from Amazon, but they can be found at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And using the Dollar Tree heart containers, I added some beads and some charms. Also added some confetti, and it's the same thing as the first box. Used a punch to punch that out, and again we use that for decorating our boxes. Adding some heart, well, these are circle rosettes with a heart border that I made last year, and I still had the pieces cut out. I just needed to score them and put them together. And so, yeah, I thought it was perfect for this box. There's 4 of them, added a ribbon around it, adding some of the sequins from Hobby Lobby. Next box is the truck box, and I love it. It's such a cute little box. Adding some, I always forget the name, tissue paper, and also the same thing as one of the other boxes, adding some felt flowers in a jar. And I made these a few days ago, you guys. I made those, and I love them. Gifting them out, that's the reason why I made them. Made a video on it, is to get ready for Galentines, and hopefully my Galentines loves them. I love the red. They remind me of the Hobby Lobby felt flowers that come 4 to a pack for $4.99, and these ones are way less. And okay, so I made some of these heart rosettes. I love them so much, you guys. Thanks to Ange Crafty Life for giving me the suggestion of adding glitter, because glitter isn't my thing, and I'm making this traditional box for a person who loves traditional colors. And I'm also adding some crochet hearts. These crochet hearts have a little loop on the top to use them as charms. And yeah, thank you so much, Angela, for helping me with those rosettes. I think they came out so beautiful. Again, it's traditional isn't my thing, but I think the red with the glitter is such eye candy. It's just so eye-catching as well. Adding some of this table scatter, adding this puffy heart. It's a felt heart. It's a kit, and it comes from Michaels, and it comes in a pack of 3 that you're able to assemble yourself. So here is the mailbox. So I love this box. You know, we can make these boxes ourselves, but again, time is of the essence. I have no time, and I want to send out something special, little, simple, and special to some people, my friends, and hopefully make their day. I'm adding some of these socks from Dollar Tree. I will add some felt flowers in a jar as well that I do not show, but you will see it in the box. Added the socks to the Dollar Tree bag, and I love the look. So there it is. You didn't see me put those felt flowers in that box, but they did go in there. So I made lots of flowers, you guys, and also adding some wire wrap beads in a bag, adding some of these rosettes. Love them. Adding some of this table scatter again as well. Gonna add a few drops of that into the box. Adding some of this Hobby Lobby sequins. Some puffy pink hearts. Well, that concludes the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed me packing up my Galentine's mail for my buddies, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.